Workshop starts at 9:15. Look around in the Zoom window. Check how you can control it. Window controls are typically on the top. They affect only your own screen. The instructor is sharing this window, and the video stream. You can change what you view. Locate the list of participants in the meeting. When you have found it, see at its bottom, there are buttons. Try to click on a yes. It will add a small icon in front of your name. There is also a way to raise your hand to ask a question. Locate the chat window. Write something such as a hello in the chat to all. Check that your microphone is currently muted. But when you are moved to a small group for discussions, the mic and video should be open and working so that you can participate. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development. Welcome to this Zoom meeting. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development. Spring 2021. Workshop 1. Team Building. http://www.cs.tut.5/8. Yuri Varsaluoma. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 3. All teams should be registered by now in Moodle. Please make sure you have joined your own team in Moodle. Company topic lottery for team assignments is done. Leftover topics are still available. Add link to your team diary blog by 22.1 in Moodle and share the diary with Yuri and Ayaka. Reminders. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 4. Team assignment topics: brief introduction to teamwork, multidisciplinary collaboration, team effectiveness, possible problems in teamwork, team formation, some team building on the way. The first diary blog post. Agenda. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 5. Team assignment topics for 2021. Team name, team assignment client and topic 1. This group is full solitaire, 4 teams how to boost learning and knowledge sharing in software development projects. 2. New group ALL Youth Research Project 6 teams how to support societal participation, civic engagement of youth with technology. 3. Team Ready Polar 2 teams. Multiple topics 4. Fantastic 4 Human-Centered AI Solutions for the Smart City Research Project 2 teams Feedback Bot. 5. A Bit of Experience Social Block Research Project 2 teams How intelligent technologies can be used to enhance community interaction and motivate residents to share spaces or use shared spaces. 6. Winter Wonderland Social Block Research Project 2 teams How intelligent technologies can be used to enhance community interaction and motivate residents to share spaces or use shared spaces. 7. Great Job Etaplan More 4 teams, 2 per topic. The topic 2. How to improve well-being of employees in remote work setting. 8. Team Imagine Vincit 1 team, topics, behavioral change, sustainability, persuasive technology, gamification. 9. Team APS Etaplan More 4 teams, 2 per topic. The topic 2. How to improve well-being of employees in remote work setting. 10. RKJJ Etaplan More 4 teams, 2 per topic. The topic 1. How to sustain improve community spirit in remote work setting. 11. Hey Go for 3 teams, multiple topics. 12. Annie, Ida and Maya Human-Centered AI Solutions for the Smart City Research Project 2 teams Feedback Bot. 13. ASD Polar 2 teams, multiple topics. 14. HCE 14 Etaplan More 4 teams, 2 per topic. The topic 1. How to sustain improve community spirit in remote work setting. 15. Hard Workers ALL Youth Research Project 6 teams How to support societal participation, civic engagement of youth with technology. 16. UX Vaco Go for 3 teams, multiple topics. 17. JOI Go for 3 teams, multiple topics. 18. A and J. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 6. Solitaire are 3 teams how to boost learning and knowledge sharing in software development projects. Platform of Trust OYA 1 team, ALL Youth Research Project, 4 teams how to support societal participation civic engagement of youth with technology. RoboCivics Research Project, a 1 team, Cobot Research Project, 1 team. Leftover team assignment topics are in case you want to reconsider. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 9. Your ship has wrecked next to a deserted island, and you can save only 3 items. You have only 5 minutes to decide with your team what you will take. Give each one a short turn to speak, and then decide. Exercise. Deserted island F 5 minutes. A bag of fruit and vegetable seeds, the pocket knife, the 100 feet rope, the bedsheet, the plastic bucket, 2 liters of kerosene, the matchbox. Pen and paper, the hammer, the bicycle, the metal can of lip balm, the lip salve, rubber boots, the giant teddy bear, the Finnish English dictionary. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 10. Multidisciplinary collaboration means a team consisting of members with different professional backgrounds and skills that can compensate each other and work together toward the same direction to achieve the same goals. Multidisciplinary collaboration. Wider perspectives and different ideas. A multidisciplinary group is often more innovative, increased skill development, improved communication ability, beneficial for future career development, improved sense of achievement, and professional abilities. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 11. Having experts from various fields is essential in HCE. Usability and user experience per se are multidisciplinary. Need for domain expertise. Products require often several different technologies. Why multidisciplinary teams in human-centered design? HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 12. Ability to work with other people's awareness of one's own communication, e.g. Johari window, skills to analyze behavior of the others, awareness of how one's behavior affects on other people's awareness of the phases, roles, and norms of the group, ability to make decisions and solve conflicts, Johari window. https://www.youtube.com/watch?v equals sign 9 TEC3H0108. https://www.youtube.com/watch?v equals sign 9 TEC3H0108. Fundamentals of Group Working. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 13. Set of people who engage in frequent interactions, they identify with one another. They are defined by others as a group. They share beliefs, values, and norms about areas of common interest. They come together to work on common tasks and for agreed purposes. Group Team. Benson 2000:5. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 14. Group of people working towards goal whose work is coordinated by someone else for them, a manager. Team, people working towards common goals who coordinate their work among themselves. Do you want to be a group or a team? David D. Parker, blog post on Agile Practices for Social Innovation, Self-Organizing Teams. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 15. 1. Introduce yourselves by answering the questions below. Who are you? Where are you from? What do you study? What would your dream job be like after you graduate? What is your field of interest, and what would you like to focus on in a group work? What your skills would be useful in a project work, and what skills you would like to develop. 2. Each one tells 2 to 3 surprising things about themselves, one of them a lie. Others will try to guess what is not true. 3. Ideate your team name, if not done yet. Also, ideate a team slogan. Exercise. Familiarize with your team, 20 minutes. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 16. Positive interdependency, clear common goal, commitment on personal success as well as the success of every member of the group. Individual and group accountability, each member must be accountable for contributing a fair share of the work toward the group goal. No one can hitchhike on the work of others. Interpersonal and small group skills, basic teamwork skills, as how to provide effective leadership, decision-making, trust building, communication, and conflict management. Face-to-face promotive interaction, interactions required for success, support, help, feedback, constructive criticism, trust. Group processing, you should feel free to communicate openly with each other to express concerns as well as to celebrate accomplishments. 5 basic elements of cooperative learning. Johnson & Johnson, http://tutorials.istudi.su.edu/cooperative learning/cooperative learning 4.html. http://www.wire.com/condocs/con542/team%sign 20 theory%sign 20 I-TIE 41206 Human Marty %2014.pef, Centered Product Development 17. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 18. Focus on team communication, make your goals clear, and ensure that all team members know their responsibilities. Ask questions and get clarification when you are not sure to help reduce the chance for misunderstandings. Plan each meeting in advance, have a clear agenda. This saves time. Utilize effective collaboration tools, for example, digital whiteboards and Miro, Mural, InVision's Freehand, Messengers and Microsoft Teams, Slack. Promote healthy teamwork, find time to be creative, and also take care of your mental and physical health. Take extra time for a walk, small workout, yoga, etc. Keep your camera on in team sessions, show your emotions, expressions, smile and laugh together. Find creative ways to celebrate success together, also in remote setting. How to make remote UX design teamwork more successful. Sources: https://uxdesign.cc/remote-collaboration- and the successful-design-team-714E5D2 at 78 https://uxdesign.cc/remote-collaboration- and the successful-design-team-714E5D2 at 78 https://www.uxmatters.com/mt/archives/2020/remote-collaboration- for-ux-design-teams.php https://mt/archives/2020/mt/12/remote-collaboration- for https://www.uxmatters.com/mt/archives. Possible problems in teamwork: absence of team identity. Members may not feel mutually accountable to one another for the team's objectives. There may be a lack of commitment and effort, conflict between team goals and members' personal goals, or poor collaboration. Poor communication: team members may interrupt or talk over one another. There may be consistent silence from some members during meetings, allusions to problems, but failure to formally address them, or false consensus, everyone nods in agreement without truly agreeing. Difficulty making decisions. Team members may be rigidly adhering to their positions during decision-making or making repeated arguments rather than introducing new information. Ineffective leadership. Leaders can fail teams by not defining a compelling vision for the team, not delegating, or not representing multiple constituencies. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 21. Possible problems in teamwork 2 halves. Inability to resolve conflicts. Conflicts cannot be resolved when there are heightened tensions and team members make personal attacks or aggressive gestures. Lack of creativity. The team is unable to generate fresh ideas and perspectives and doesn't turn unexpected events into opportunities. Lack of participation. Team members fail to complete assignments. There may be poor attendance at team meetings or low energy during meetings. Group thinking. The team is unwilling or unable to consider alternative ideas or approaches. There is a lack of critical thinking and debate over ideas. This often happens when the team overemphasizes team agreement and unity. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 22. Communicate, listen to team members, don't be afraid to express your own opinion or support others' short-term needs or respect others' time and efforts or select the communication channel, and keep it updated or point at real problems, technical or factual, or inform others about your current state, would it be progress or delay, or take into account differences in perspectives and roles. Remember that there might be also personal motives and power struggles. How to overcome problems in communication. Rosenzweig and Ziff. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 23. Prevent it. Agree on objective criteria in advance, remove opposite positions, set common activities and goals, increase awareness and trust in team, don't let it get personal, practice clear communication and active listening. How to solve conflicts. Conflicts are not bad, they are needed to achieve efficient decision-making. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 24. Step 1. Prepare for resolution, acknowledge the conflict, discuss the impact, agree to communicate, and cooperate to resolve conflict. Step 2. Understand the situation, clarify positions, list facts, assumptions, and beliefs underlying each position, discuss. Step 3. Reach agreement. Steps to solve conflict. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 25. Group thinking. Group 2. Unanimous, possibly arrogant attitude, too much trusting on themselves, concurrence seeking, not wanting to bring up any disputes. Individualistic decision making. Decision making problems, Janis 1982. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 26. Remember objectivity, forget winning. You cannot win alone, don't bargain, accept only logical groundings to avoid wrong techniques, staring contests, coin flipping. What kind of results would you end up to? Remember, disagreeing is allowed. Decision making and reaching consensus. What should I do? Focus on issue, include findings like necessary or unnecessary criticism that is relevant and useful. The receiver is considered in discussion. Objective, two-directional process. Both parties listen each other. What I should not do. Focus on person, include judgment, like bad, good criticism that is not relevant or useful to anyone. Give in a way appropriate to the one who gives. Subjective, one-directional process, not listening the other party. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 27. How to provide criticism. TIE 41206 Human-Centered Product Development 28. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 30. 1. Separate people from problems. 2. Concentrate on interests, not on positions. 3. Invent options that benefit everyone. 4. Demand objective criteria for decision-making. If stuck, try to agree on the principles that will be used to get into the agreement. Principled negotiation. Focus on interests. Getting to yes, negotiating agreement without giving in. A Penguin, 2nd edition, 1991, https://www.pond.harvard.edu/daily/negotiation-skills-daily/focus-negotiation-focus-value/. TIE 41206 Human-Centered Product Development 31. https://www.youtube.ps www.youtube.com watch v equals NORZG8YSSO. Group Forming HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 32. Before taking the break, mark your participation in Moodle. Let's take a break. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 33. Meeting people. Introduce yourself, learn the names, exchange contact information, learn to know each other's interests, special skills, restrictions. Let everybody talk, even if you don't agree. Interruption is rude. Stay calm. Talking loud or fast does not make your message any more clear. Include everybody also in all communication as sincere. Hints for fluent group work. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 34. Think positive. All ideas have something good in them. Listen to the other's opinions carefully. Compliment the good points and only then give your reasoned criticism. Make notes. Always write down what was decided, who is responsible, and the schedule. After the meeting, send a memo of the meeting, including deadlines and who does what. Remember to agree on the next meeting. Hints for fluent group work. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 35. Make a special effort to avoid conflicts. If there is stress and different temperaments of the group members clash, take a break. Apologize for poor behavior, but don't dwell on it. Continue work. Even if you did not start the heated argument, take a deep breath and try to act as a conciliator. Be open and honest. Don't be afraid to talk about problems. However, be sympathetic. Mistakes happen. Try to solve the problem within the group members. Contact your group work advisor or the teacher if you get stuck. Also, if you have trouble doing your part, e.g. due to illness, inform others ASAP and try to find a solution. Hints for fluent group work. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 37. Make notes so you can report in your team diary blog. Take your time and continue the discussion after the workshop. 1. Build your team goals and strategy. What result do you want to see in the end, and how will you reach it? How will you evaluate your progress towards your team goals? 2. You will deliver several deliverables, a diary, blog, video, prototype, with your team during the course. How will you share, agree and manage the work and responsibilities between team members during the remote course? Assign roles and areas of responsibility to each member. Will one of you act as a project manager, or do you share this responsibility? 3. What tools you will be using for collaboration and communication. 4. How do you plan to avoid problems in communication, solve conflicts, and make project decisions? What will happen if someone in your team is not contributing to joint work as agreed or not participating in decision-making process? How do you evaluate and report the contribution of the individual team member to different activities? 5. Discuss your team assignment topic. What do the terms concepts actually mean? What is included in them? And from what kind of perspectives can you approach your topic? What kind of sources can you use to expand your understanding of the topic and the relevant concepts? Discuss with your team at 25 minutes. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 39. Scenario: your customer has found a funny toy and wants you to design a similar one as a gift. You are pretty limited in time and resources. But to make things even harder, only one of you can use a drawing software and share the screen. Others are observers. However, you can't observe the toy straightly. Instead, one member from each team can look at the product for 10 seconds in Zoom and try to memorize details before returning to their team. No screenshots. After they return to their teams, observers have time to instruct the person doing the drawing. The observers cannot draw, but only instruct the one doing the drawing. The next observer should come to the main Zoom room right after the previous one, or stay for a minute, and then come if there are no more observers. In 15 minutes we will check the results. Take a photo of the final result for your diary, blog if you want white smiling face. Start by opening a drawing software and decide who will do the drawing. Use local or web app, e.g. https://www.autoraw.com/www.autoraw.com/ or https://clecky.com/. https://clecky.com/. Your first development task, 15 minutes. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 40. Name of your team. Name and picture of your team members, and their introduction. Topic of your team assignment, if you know it. State your team goals and explain why you have selected them. How are you going to evaluate your progress towards your goals? Teamwork division, how did you agree to share responsibilities and roles? How you are going to communicate, what tools you will use. How you are going to make team decisions and solve conflicts. Teamwork workflow, how did you agree to make your team work better? How will you increase productivity and effectiveness of your team? Team contribution, how did you agree to evaluate and report individual contribution of team members? Discuss your team assignment topic, provide definitions, and expand any relevant concepts terms in your topic. What do these concepts actually mean? What is included in them? And from what kind of perspectives can you approach your topic? Refer to scientific, e.g. search research articles from university library, and other web sources if possible. Aim to expand your understanding of the topic and the relevant concepts, as this will support conducting the user research. Short summary of each team member's contribution tasks. Team homework, diary, blog post number 1. HEI.230 Human-Centered Product Development 41. Fisher, R. Ewey, W. Getting to Yes, Negotiating Agreement Without Giving In, New York, Penguin Books, 1991. Johnson, D. Johnson, F. Joining Together, Group Theory and Group Skills, Allen and Bacon, 1997. McShane, S.L., Von Glino, M.A. 2008. Organizational Behavior. McGraw-Hill. Norman, D. The Invisible Computer. The MIT Press, 1998. Rosenzweig and Ziff, Managing Interdisciplinary Relationships, Lessons Learned from the Field, Volume 10, Issue 6, ACM Interactions November and December 2003. Tavris, C. Wade, C. Psychology in Perspective, 2001, Prentice Hall, pages 9 to 12. References or additional reading.